right, today we're going to bring LED lights, and look at these. They give you many LED lights so you could do your own DIY projects. So you guys can see this is one of them right now. We're going to put it together. We're going to set it up so we can light it up with an actual battery. We're going to add a system so you could turn it off and on. So check it out. Easy little LED light, very powerful. You see how bright it is. We're going to put a transistor too also to it so we can control the actual power coming into it. We don't want to burst it. All right, to test the actual LED light, the longer one is positive, if you guys can see that. The shorter one is negative on the LED light. So you could grab one of these flat cell batteries and then just click on it and it's going to turn on automatically. And that's how we set them up, and we start making them blink and making them do everything. So you can always test them out like that. Now, if you ever burn them out, you could see them in here. You could actually see how it burns out. So right now we're setting this up. If you guys can see, we're going to do a project, but it's going to take a long time. So I'm just showing you some of the setups that we have. All right, let's go ahead and solder transistor first. All right, we're going to add some soldering iron to it. So we could always do it one way. If you guys can notice, I'm just going to melt a little tiny bit. So here's the final product. Look at this red light. It's just bleeping. This is perfect red light. It's working very well. I put a resistor on it. Look at that. Melt it.